Hello and welcome to KCcoding. Right now, I'm going to show you your first input in Java and then how to use that variable that you get. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to import the stuff we're going to use. To be able to get data, we're going to use this thing called scanner. And to use scanner, you need to import it. Import it, you're just going to go to the top before you write anything else, you go import space java.util.scanner. And you might as well just delete this package part here, it's not really necessary. You're going to go down to public static void main, and the first thing you're going to do is create an object called scanner1. So you're going to type in C-A-N-N-E-R, so scanner, the name of your scanner. So let's call it SCNR1 is equal to new scanner system.in semicolon. Alright, so we created an object called scanner. And scanner can be used to find out what people are inputting from the keyboard. That's what system.in is. So, first thing we're going to do is we are going to create a string. So, string, for those of you who don't know, a string is just a series of letters, like a word. Rather than being a number, it's just a word. We call them strings. So, we're going to call string name, because we're going to ask the person for their name. So, string name is equal to new string. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to prompt the user and ask them to give us their name. So we're going to write in our basic output code that we did last time. So system.out.print ln, first bracket, quotation marks, and we're going to go, what is your name? Question mark. Go to the semicolon at the end, so it's happy. Alright, now we're going to use the scanner that we created. So the variable name that we created up above, highlighted there, is going to be equal to SCNR1, which is the name of the scanner we created, up here. And then we're going to send it a command, and that command is next, so next. So that's the command we're sending it. So that basically lets scanner look at what the person has written, and then assign that value to the variable name. So then we're going to write here our output, which is going to be system.out.println. And here's what we're going to do. We're going to write hello, and we're going to add the variable in. So we're going to put a plus, and that's going to allow us to put it in our variable in the output. And we're going to type in name, the name of our variable. Comes up 3 times there. First when we created it, here. Next when we assigned it its value, and here at the very end. Great, so we're going to put a semicolon at the end. And we're all done. Just to go over how this works, we create the scanner, we create the string, we ask the user for their name, then we assign the string that we created with the value from our scanner, and that's basically just whatever someone types in. Then we use this variable to print out hello and then the user's name. Okay, so now we're going to click run. Going to ask us what our name is. I'm going to type in my name, it's Casey. I'll hit enter, and then it's going to say hello Casey. Now you know how to receive input from a user using Java. This has been Casey for KCcoding with our 3rd Java tutorial, and I'm logging off. There's a zip file with this full project available at the link in the underbar.